I asked an engine rebuilder with 25 years of experience, which GMT900 years have you never seen break down, even with extreme mileage? Only 3 made his list. 3 years, 7 generations, and one of these 3 could be your Silverado. Subscribe. Let's find out if you're one of the lucky ones. This engine rebuilder, 25 years, over 1,500 engines. When I asked about GMT900s that never break, he didn't hesitate. 3 years, always the same 3. I asked 4 other engine specialists. All 5 mentioned the same 3 years, independently. This isn't opinion, this is consensus. If your GMT900 is on this list, comment with your year and mileage right now. First year, 2009. In 25 years, I've rebuilt maybe 8 2009 engines out of hundreds. 8 out of hundreds, under 2% failure rate. Why? The aluminum LS engine received its 3rd major update that year. Pistons with molybdenum coating, redesigned compression rings, reinforced cast iron inserts. He told me about a 2009 with 385,000 miles. I opened the engine expecting wear. Cylinders still had factory honing marks. 20 years old, looked brand new inside. That's not luck, that's engineering. At auctions, 2009 with 180,000 miles sells for the same price as newer years with half that. If you have a 2009, you have gold. Second year, 2011. All 5 specialists mentioned this one. If I had to pick one GMT900 to run 600,000 miles, 2011. Everything good about 2009 became perfect in 2011. Updated ignition system, latest generation coil packs, optimized cooling system. One specialist showed me records. In 10 years, I've rebuilt 5 2011 engines out of 500. 5 out of 500, 1% failure rate. He told me about a customer towing a horse trailer every day, 354,000 miles, tows 9,000 pounds, engine never opened, over 500,000 kilometers towing heavy weight, original engine. 2011 is absolute guaranteed longevity. Third year, 2013, the last GMT900, the peak. 2013 is when GM put together everything they learned. Most reliable engine GM ever built, period. Final engine management software, 4th generation oxygen sensors, perfect fuel injector spray pattern, redesigned crankcase ventilation that eliminates carbon buildup. Another specialist told me something I'll never forget. 2013 with 370,000 miles. Compression test, every cylinder still factory spec, like brand new. Impossible, but real. If you want the final, perfect, maximum refined GMT900, 2013. 3 GMT900 years that never break. 2009, 2011, 2013. If your Silverado is one of these, you don't have a truck, you have a legend. Take care of it. It'll take you beyond 400,000, maybe 600. These engines don't die, they just keep running. Comment below with your GMT900 year and mileage. I'll validate if you have a legend, promise. 5 specialists, absolute consensus on 3 years. If this helped you discover you have gold, like this video, share it. Subscribe for more Silverado truths. Monday, transmission specialist confirms only 3 GMT900 years never need rebuilds. You might have a legend in your garage and not even know it. Now you know. See you Monday, Silverado family.